This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Bluetooth in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable Bluetooth, there's several different ways you can do it. The way that I'm going to show you is through settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to my start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon, and I'm going to go up to where it says settings, and I'm going to click on settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Bluetooth and devices. Then on the center pane, right down here, Bluetooth. As you can see, I currently have mine enabled. It is on, but if you wanted to disable it, you would just toggle this off. And to enable it, you just toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable Bluetooth in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.